Hey guys, Mark and Swan here for Savannah, Georgia. And if you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can maximize the Juice Plus compensation plan. Well, let me tell you what, you have the right mindset, okay? You want to learn more, and network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners simply study the craft. I want you to be present on this presentation. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, and I'm going to do it rapid fire, okay? There's going to be no fluff, no wasting time. It's going to be just straight facts. I'm going to save the number one golden nugget to the very end, so make sure you wait to the end to go ahead and get that. That will give you some instant results. So ready, set, and here we go. Here's the problem. They want to sell you on that golden promise. So you see those people walking the stage and all those things, and they make it seem like it happened overnight. Let me tell you something about those people. They put a lot of time, they put a lot of work in, and they had a plan, and they gave a lot of effort. Your network marketing company is not your company. Okay, you may love the products, the compensation plan, and all those things, but blasting the company logo all over Facebook and all over social media is going to do little for your business. And because here's the secret, your network marketing company, they don't pay for advertising, so they have you, the affiliate, go around and use certain kind of techniques, like making a list of 100 people, contacting family and friends, blitzing at the mall, talking to strangers, and hosting home parties. Guys, I'm not knocking those techniques. I've used those techniques and they work in terms of making you a better networker. But in terms of effectively marketing your business, it's going to do little for your business to help you take your business to the next level. Okay, so here's the problem. I once heard a top earner say, if you talk to 10 people, 2 would take a look. If 10 people take a look, 2 would join. If 10 joined, 2 would do something. And if 10 did something, 2 would become serious leaders and make some serious money. So here's the problem. Are there 1,250 people on your list? Here's some real numbers. Instead of talk to, take a look at, join the opportunity, here's what the top earners actually doing. They're having you view content, click on a link, that's your capture page or replicated site, and they're having you join the opportunity. This means that if you talk to 1,250 people, 250 people will take a look, or of which 50 people would join and 10 would do something and make some serious money. Okay, so whether it's talk to or view, you're gonna have to take massive action to have that many people in front of your offer. And the question is, are you up to the challenge? Who's the audience that will produce the least amount of resistance? Let me get into this. Okay, it's not gonna be your family and friends. It's not gonna be your Facebook friends. It's not gonna be random people at the mall. It's gonna be other network marketers who are like-minded. 95% of them are struggling, so it's gonna put you in a position to give them the value that they need to succeed. People and you're gonna want to track also people who are looking to get into network marketing. Here's the thing. You're gonna get no more. Is it one of those things? Is this a scheme? Is it one? You're gonna get none of that because you're gonna be talking to the right target market, the market of least resistance. You're not talking to everybody under the sun. You're gonna be talking to those specific people who are gonna be interested in what you have to say and what you have to offer. If you market to everyone, you're marketing to no one. Okay, your attraction marketing system is going to include, you're going to give value up front, you're going to have your lead magnet, your funded proposal at the end, and you're going to follow up with people, and you're going to make sure you help out your team. Essential tools, self-hosted blog, you're going to need lead magnet capture page, autoresponder, customer relationship management, and webinar software. These are just the essential tools that you need to really have that successful full-time online business. Okay. Important things to remember. This is social media, it's not business media. People come on social media to be nosy, to see what people are doing and that kind of thing. They don't come to be sold. They don't come to buy things, okay? So instead of pitching, we're going to not pitch. Instead of pitching, we're going to actually give value up front and attract our ideal customer and client, okay? Your vibe is going to attract your tribe. There's 5 ways to become that people person online. Your visibility is going to trump your ability. Now, this is getting very close to that number one nugget that I'm going to give you at the end. But your visibility is going to trump your ability. That means get your content in front of massive amounts of people. Do whatever you have to do to make that happen. Pre-qualified people. Positive. You're looking for positive people, business-minded, active, and social. Branding yourself. Your brand is going to be what differentiate you from other people. So how much value are you actually bringing to the marketplace? That's the question you want to ask. Here's a suggested model. Create some online content, attract the right people to you, generate the lead, connect with the lead, determine the need, because you're going to be the one to offer the solution on the other side of that. Your content marketing plan is going to be a strategy around how to get more sales and more leads. It's as simple as that. You need the right message for the right market. Here's the number one golden nugget that you've all been waiting for, and it's one word: speed. Your network marketing business is going to live and die on 90-day cycles. Your results, your today are based on what you did 90 days ago. Guys, you could go on a 90-day run and have a lot of network marketing success. I tell you, if you do nothing for the 90 days after that, you're going to be in trouble. That's just the truth, and that's from personal experience. I hope you got value from this, actually. Okay, feel free to continue your education. I left a link in the description that's going to show you the exact steps I had to take where now I'm able to generate thus 10 to 20, sometimes even more red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on complete autopilot. I'm going to show you those steps. I left a link in the description where you can continue your education, and I hope you got value from this video. Have a great day.